Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use whimsical AI features in 2026. Whether you want to generate flowcharts, mind maps, or brainstorm ideas faster, whimsical AI can save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, create a new board or open an existing one. Next, look for the **AI** option or the AI prompt box. Click it to open the AI assistant. Yeah, this is where you'll describe what you want to create. Now type a clear prompt, such as creating a project workflow, a product roadmap, or a mind map for a new idea. Then click *generate* and let whimsical AI build the diagram for you. Once the AI finishes, review the generated content. You can edit any shape, text, or connection just like a normal whimsical board, so it's easy to customize everything. If needed, run another AI prompt to expand your diagram, brainstorm more ideas, or create a different visual based on your project. And that's it. You now know how to use whimsical AI features to create diagrams and organize ideas much faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.